In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a home decor Shopify store. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Visit Theme Store. This is where you can explore designs that match the look and feel you want for your store. Inside the theme store, use the search or filter tools to find themes that are optimized for home furniture and interior design. This matters because the right theme gives you a strong visual foundation. Home decor stores usually look best with themes that highlight lifestyle photography, clean layouts, and elegant product presentation. When you find a theme that fits your style, click Add to Theme Library. Give it a moment to load, since this page can take a little time. After the theme has been added, go back to your theme library, click Publish, and then select Customize. This opens the theme editor, where you will shape the visual identity of your storefront. Inside the theme editor, click the theme settings icon, which looks like a gear in the left sidebar, and select Colors. This is where you define the overall mood of your store. For a home decor brand, it usually helps to choose a calm, refined color palette that feels warm, inviting, and easy on the eyes. Keep your colors consistent so the storefront feels polished and intentional. Next, stay within the Theme Settings panel and click on Typography. Here, change your headings font to a welcoming style. Your heading font plays a big role in the personality of the brand, so aim for something that feels stylish and approachable while still being easy to read. After that, click the Sections tab, shown with the desktop icon, to return to the main homepage editor. At the top of the page, add an image banner or slideshow section. This area is one of the first things visitors will see, so it should instantly communicate the look and mood of your brand. Now upload high-resolution editorial photos that show your products styled inside real room environments. This is especially important for home decor because customers want to imagine how pieces will look in an actual living space. Use images that feel curated, bright, and professional so the store makes a strong first impression. That covers everything you need to know.